The fibula is the smaller of the two lower leg bones. The fibula is this one right here. And you can remember the fragile fibula, if that helps. The fragile fibula to distinguish it from the big tough tibia right here. So the fibula is non-weight bearing, so the weight of your body goes through just the tibia right here, not through the fibula. If you notice, the fibula actually does not form part of the knee joint, so the fibula is working more as a point of attachment for some different muscles and tendons, and giving some extra stability to the ankle joint. Also, remember that the fibula is on the lateral side of the leg. So this is the right leg. So this is on the lateral side. You can remember that the fibula is far away from the center. Fibula is far away. To remember that the fibula is on the outside of the leg. There are a couple of different bony landmarks to remember on the fibula. The first is the head of the fibula right up here. And we can get a better look at that if we kind of move around over here. The head, you can see the head of the fibula is this kind of bulbous area right there on that end of it. And the head of the fibula is where it articulates with the tibia, right here, where it articulates with the tibia on the proximal end. The main part of the bone is called the shaft. So, let me move this. There we go. The main part, this whole long area here, this is the shaft, which if you think of it kind of like the shaft of an arrow or something, a shaft is just a long portion of the bone. And then on the distal end, we have the part where it forms the ankle joint. So if we look at it kind of like this, you can see how this part of the fibula helps create part of the lateral surface for the ankle joint. And this part, over the bone over here, you can feel on the outside of your ankle, and that's the lateral malleolus. The lateral malleolus. And you actually have a medial malleolus too. That's on the tibia. That's this one over here. That's your medial malleolus. And if you just remember that the fibula is on the far side of the leg, it's on the outside of the leg, you can remember that the fibula is where you find the lateral malleolus, and then the tibia is where you will find the medial malleolus. So that is the fibula with the three bony landmarks: the head of the fibula, the shaft of the fibula, and the lateral malleolus of the fibula. Remember that the fibula is not involved in the knee joint, but is involved in the ankle joint.